Let's proceed by creating the Day of the Week column. As data scientists, we wouldn't expect to see words in the new column, right? Instead of having the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so forth, we'll have the values from 0 to 6. And if you want to know why not from 1 to 7 instead, again, it's just the way the weekday function will deliver the days of the week for us because of how the person who wrote it felt about ordering the numbers. In general, this is one of the drawbacks of using modules. The rules of the game are set by the person who created them. One time we could obtain values starting from 1, another from 0. So, if we want to use a library written by somebody else, we must abide by their rules, period. To show you how the weekday function works, to the last element of the date column, which is on row 699, we will add .weekday, open and close parentheses. After running the cell, we obtain 3, which means that the 31st of May 2018 was a Thursday, and you can open any calendar to see this is absolutely true. Nice! To create a new column containing the weekdays, we will use one of the preferred tools in the arsenal of every professional programmer. To apply a certain type of modification iteratively on each value from a series or a column in a data frame, it is a great idea to create a function that can execute this operation for one element, and then implement it to all values from the column of interest. How can this be done in our example here? We'll define a function with the meaningful name DateToWeekday that will directly return the weekday from the data contained in the date column. The syntax to do this is the classical one you see here. Execute this cell to create the function. Perfect. The second part of the trick regards the creation of the Day of the Week column in DF. To this new column, we must assign the values from the date column, while implementing the DateToWeekday function to each row. Luckily, there's a function for this purpose. It is called apply, and its argument is the name of the function we want to repeatedly apply to the elements of the date column. Therefore, ending this line of code with equals df reason mod date.apply DateToWeekday will execute the operation we just explained. Running the last cell delivered no error. To further prove we worked correctly, let's check the head of DF. Sweet! We see a Day of the Week column has been attached to the far right of our table. Well done! In the last couple of lectures, you saw two of the most frequently used programmatic approaches. They help us apply modification to the elements of an entire series with values. In the next video, we will proceed with our data pre-processing tasks, leading us to the output we'll want to transfer to an SQL database at some point. Thanks for watching.